from Mumbai. Alisha, the conversation, the WhatsApp chat that our senior associate editor Shravan Sen has accessed, also the conversation he himself had with Kushal Zaveri, extremely important because remember, let's remind our viewers the man that we're talking about. Let's quickly take in a word from Shravan, in fact, because he spoke to Kushal Zaveri as well. Shravan, this man not only knew Sushant Singh Rajput for over 12 years, he also stayed with him previously and more importantly, had a conversation with him just 13 days before he passed away. Very important, and the details that have come out of all that he has revealed to you, please tell our viewers all about it because that has completely smashed the depression theory. Once again, those are certainly not signs of a person who could possibly be depressed.
Well, Prithvi, let's first begin by putting this into perspective. Who exactly is Kushal Zaveri? Why is his testimony so very important at this juncture? Now, as Christine, you had pointed out, Kushal Zaveri is a close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput. They've known each other for almost a decade, over a decade in fact, and he was actually staying with Sushant Singh Rajput from the year 2018. In fact, Kushal Zaveri was perhaps one of the few people who were completely silent after the tragic demise of the late actor. And Kushal Zaveri did not want to speak up. In fact, it took us several days to try and convince him to try and open up, speak to everyone so that the world knows the truth. Because at the end of the day, Kushal Zaveri's testimony would become extremely crucial. And it's quite evident from this entire interview that he's given to Republic Media Network, when he's essentially demolished various theories that have been peddled by vested, people with vested interests, beginning from the depression theory to the suicide theory, and then finally the medication that was being administered to the actor, and not just that, also the relationship that he's had with his family members. All this put together, somewhere down the line, Kushal Zaveri has basically demolished all of this, and he insists that the actor was certainly not depressed, and the actor had some future projects. Now, some of the big news points from this entire interview. One, that the actor had discussed his future projects with another close friend, Mahesh Shetty. Now, due to the lockdown, since there was no theatre release, the actor was actually planning for an OTT release of some project that was in his mind. Secondly, with regards to his virtual reality, projects, part of a company that he had floated along with another friend who's based out of New Delhi, he had certain projects in mind. So clearly these are two big projects that he had discussed with Mahesh Shetty. Secondly, with regards to this entire depression theory, this has been demolished by the conversation he's had with Kushal Zaveri on 2nd of June, 13 days before he actually passed away, where he's essentially talking about the fact that he's growing spiritually and he's looking forward to certain projects of his. So that too is very clear from the WhatsApp conversation he's had with Kushal Zaveri. The third important news point, I would say, is his relationship with his family members. You've heard the Maharashtra government, in fact parliamentarian Sanjay Raut essentially raising questions about the actor's relationship with his father, and not just that, even with his sisters. Now that too has now been demolished by Kushal Zaveri, who says that the actor certainly shared a good relationship with his sisters as well as other family members. And finally, with regards to whether he was being administered certain medicines, especially when he was staying with the actor, because in 2018, Sushant Singh Rajput had called Kushal Zaveri and asked him to stay with him. And in fact, Kushal Zaveri says that when he was staying with Sushant Singh Rajput, he wasn't taking any medicines whatsoever. So it all started sometime later in 2019 when he moved to this new building in Mobla, and he was basically staying along with Riya Chakravarti. So these are certain allegations that were basically leveled by the family members. Now this has been corroborated by one of his close friends, the actor's close friend. And not just that, what has been spoken about a lot, that there was a deliberate attempt that was being made by Riya Chakravarti and her team to prevent Sushant Singh Rajput from meeting his friends. While Kushal Zaveri did not really take anyone's name in particular, but also he clearly hinted when the actor was suffering from dengue and he had gone to meet the actor in the hospital, he was prevented from meeting the actor. So clearly there is that hint of of a deliberate attempt that was made by a section to prevent the actor from meeting his own close friends.
Absolutely. Shravan, I'm going to take in a word from Alisha as well. Alisha, let's put this in perspective. How there is so much proof, so much evidence on how Sushant Singh Rajput had not just short-term plans, but long-term plans as well. Talk about the diary that we accessed. Talk about the whiteboard wherein he was talking about his workout regime, following a routine in the morning, getting up early. So short-term plans, long-term plans, and now this WhatsApp conversation of just 13 days before he passed away, as opposed to the narrative that is being peddled by the likes of Rhea Chakrabarti, also to an extent the Maharashtra government, and they really have no proof of Sushant Singh Rajput being a depressed man, nothing at all on the other end.
देखिए, तो शुरुआती से हम देख रहे हैं, फिर चाहे महाराष्ट्र सरकार की ओर से अनिल देशमुख हो या फिर संजय राउत हो, ये सिर्फ एक चीज़ कहते हुए नजर आ रहे थे कि मुंबई पुलिस जो है वो सुशांत केस को लेकर काफ़ी सक्षम है और साथ ही काफ़ी प्रोफेशनल वे से वो इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं। पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन हमने कहाँ तक देखी, क्योंकि खुद करीबन जो 45 दिन के बाद खुद जहाँ पर बिहार पुलिस मुंबई पहुँची थी और उनकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन पर जहाँ पर कहीं ना कहीं सच्चाई सामने आ रही थी, पर एक तरफा जो बयान दर्ज करने के बाद एक कॉन्क्रीट कंक्लूजन पर मुंबई पुलिस ना पहुंच रही थी और ना ही इसके ऊपर कोई जो है एक एक्सप्लेनेशन या फिर जो डिटेल्स है वो मीडिया के सामने रखी थी, वो लोगों के सामने रखी थी, जिसके बाद खुद एक रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क की ओर से जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन की गई थी, फिर चाहे वो टेस्टिमनीज हो या फिर खुद स्टिंग्स के ज़रिए हो, लोगों से बातचीत की हो, उसी बातचीत में सभी लोगों का ये कहना है कि सुशांत ऐसे शख्स थे जो कभी हमेशा से जो है वो मोटिवेटेड रहते थे, जो कभी सुसाइड कर ही नहीं सकते। ये हर इंसान से, हर एक शख्स से जो बात की है, और अब रिसेंटली जो हमने आज व्हाट्सएप चैट जो एक्सेस किया है उसमें जहां पर अपने दोस्त से वो बात कर रहे हैं, और ये दोस्ती नई नहीं है, ये दोस्ती कई सालों की है, जहां पर पहले भी उन्होंने एक तरफा जो है काम उनके साथ किए हैं। कुशल जवेरी ने सुशांत सिंह के साथ पहले काम किए थे, और अब जो उनके दोस्ती को याद करते हुए जहां पर सिर्फ 13 दिन पहले, यानी सुशांत के डेथ के 13 दिन पहले सुशांत सामने से कुशल जवेरी को मैसेज करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, उनको ये कह रहे हैं कि उनके वेलबींग पूछते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। और ये तक कहा है सुशांत ने कि जो एक फ्यूचर अपने स्पिरिचुअली काम को लेकर वो आगे बढ़ते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं और ग्रो करना चाहते हैं, और फिर से एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ कुशल जवेरी के साथ वो एक नया प्रोजेक्ट बनाना चाहते हैं, और उनके साथ जो पहले काम किए उसका काफ़ी वो प्राउड फील करते हैं। तो ऐसा इंसान जो कि खुद सामने से अपने दोस्तों को उनकी यादें हो या फिर उनके जो पिछले प्रोजेक्ट किए गए हैं, वो ऐसा इंसान के लेकर जो डिप्रेशन की थ्योरी लोगों के बीच में बनाई गई थी।
And why this becomes more important, Alisha, because it is Sushant Singh Rajput in this particular case, as far as his conversations with Kushal are concerned, he initiated the conversation. It is him who asked Kushal about his well-being. It is him who was talking about his future plans and his state of mind. Extremely crucial what was shared by him as far as this conversation is concerned. Alisha, thank you for the moment for joining us with that.